Girl, you're a star. Come on and dance, baby. And dance, baby. I know it. Girl, you're a star. Come on and dance, baby.
It's Monday. Welcome back for another weekly vlog. My new sheets felt great. My new pillows felt great. I'm a little saddened because I'm going to work on MLK for the first time in like 3 years, because I'm usually on my ski trip, but I didn't go this year. I needed a break. So yeah, that's all I gotta say. Let's go to work. Good morning. It is Tuesday. The vlog is up. I feel like I don't have to tell you guys that because by now you would have seen it or something, but it's a part of my week. So yes, think I'm going to finally stick to my editing schedule, because I do have one, so that I can edit twice in the week, so that when Monday comes, it's just like do the thumbnail, add the end card, end slate, and then be on my way. But I haven't been sticking to that because things happen, you know, and then I get lazy, and then when I get invested in a new Netflix something or other series, then everything falls by the wayside. So I'm basically childish. Let's go to work. Tuesday has just turned into my day off from LA Fitness because the weather may be a little bit horrible for Atlanta standards, because there might be snow and all types of things. I'm probably getting stared at by both sides of me, but I don't care. So we're gonna move on. I'm gonna go home and cook the salmon that I bought on Sunday, and I'm probably going to film a video that needs to go up next week. I have 7 videos I need to put up, including the one that you're currently watching. So 7. Let's hope I can do this, because my sanity, I don't know. Good morning. It is Wednesday, 6:42. Yeah, I'm not going into the office today. It was snowing last night. It got a little thicker, you know? My supervisor said you can work from home if you know you don't feel comfortable coming into the office. No, I don't feel comfortable. My AC just came on. So my heat just came on. I'm working from home today, so I guess I'm gonna feel like a full-time YouTuber or something, because this is what y'all do, right? Y'all walk around the house and y'all go to Target and all that stuff I can't do when I'm at work. Must be nice. Check back in with you a little later, but first I need OJ because I'm down here with no socks on. I feel like I'm gonna sneeze any second now, and head back upstairs. So let's go to work. Starting off on the sofa. This is good. There was nothing fun about this workload. Yes, I might have on a little makeup, only because I realized I should probably film a few things while I have the extra couple of hours before my work day would be over. That was a pain. Going to get something to eat, and then I'm going to figure out how my filming setup is gonna go for today. It clearly won't be in here like this because the lighting is trash. Like, I can't stand any of the light bulbs in this house. I know I look crazy, but I was working, remember? Another update. It's a little after 3. I just had something to eat, and now I'm going to do something to my hair, and we're going to film. I guess since this is the vlog, I should give you the inside scoop, right? Yeah, okay. So we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna go ahead and film the Fitness Friday video. That is the first one of the year. I haven't made one since What's in My Gym Bag, which was months and months and months ago. So we're gonna do that. Fitness Friday, I probably will do the glass water bottle that I purchased on the talking parts of the next bullet journal video. I think that's a fair amount to do before the sun goes down. So let's go ahead and get into it because it's a race against the clock and patience. Let me do my hair. Update. It is 6:15. I have been filming talk-throughs since what, 3:04, some weird time. I did 2 talk-throughs. So I did the bullet journal talk-through and I did the Fitness Friday talk-through. I think that the longest video or videos I should actually have on my channel should be my weekly vlogs, my travel vlogs, basically the things that are my real babies. These are like my adolescents. Like I see you, but I don't really need to baby you. You get what I'm saying? So like my weekly vlog needs a little bit more and my travel vlogs need a little bit more, but these I feel like are added bonuses to my channel. But we'll see. I don't really know. I'm probably rambling because I'm hungry and I want to take this stuff off my face. Like, I don't care if people don't like a bare face. I love it. Okay, there, I said it. I love it. I can't stand makeup. I am practicing. I'm working on it. But if I had a choice. Good morning. It is Thursday. Yes, morning. It's really weird to be up and the sun is out, but I feel like my energy is different because of it and I like it. I'm heading to work. It was a delayed opening for 10 o'clock, so it is now 8:22, 8:24, something like that. And I'm headed to work now, so let's try to go to work. Great. All right. So my car hasn't moved since, what was that, Wednesday, when I came home from work, and that was the last time I drove. So it's, no, Tuesday was the last time I really was in the car. So I've been in the house for a while, since 5:30 p.m. on Tuesday. It's Thursday. While everyone's driving in regular drive, I'm driving in D2. I don't have time for y'all. And I feel like quietly I still need to stay home because people were rolling back on the hill by my house. So haven't seen this in a while, but I got the flatbread. Made it to work. Let's talk about me being clumsy and how this ice could pose as an issue. Cause I'm flexing Rarins. You can bet on me. Tater tot, fuck niggas on my radar watch. Ooh, 6:13. I'm back from LA Fitness. It went well. I feel good. Still bundling up a lot as I exit, and people are looking at me crazy like, why aren't you guys bundling up? Are you trying to catch pneumonia? Or anyway, so little rant, a little one. There is a guy at LA Fitness who constantly, when I say constantly, I mean the past week, he's been on the treadmill with his phone on speakerphone, blaring music, or on the phone with somebody. I don't care what your homeboy wants to do tomorrow. I don't care. I need you to get Bluetooth headphones. I need you to find that little white piece that comes with your phone. I need you to do something else. Because it's annoying and everyone's looking at you crazy and you looking at us like we crazy. No, you're crazy and you need to fix it. Oh, today's a good day. If I tell you now. Good morning. It's finally Friday. I am glad. We have a few things to do today. Work, obvi, and nails, Ikea, gym, filming, editing, posting. And I finally edited and posted the video that goes up today at 12. So that's good. All I have to do is make it live. And now I'm hungry. So I'm going inside. Let's go to work. Not even gonna tell you how I had a panic attack, low-key, not high-key at all, because my camera kept shutting off earlier today and kept saying charge battery, but I knew I did. Completely forgot I did all that filming the other day during the snow and that my camera really did need to be charged. Okay, all right, fine. So we're back. Now, it has been 3,001 hours since you saw me last. All you saw was me going to work. And then after work, I went to Ikea and I went to multiple Targets. But let's talk about what happened at Ikea, okay? So I go to Ikea after work simply because I knew that tomorrow was the day that I really had to buckle down and get a lot of my YouTube stuff handled. That is probably Danny. Why is Danny texting at this hour? Because they went out. I said it's up in the air if I could go. And yeah, I got home super late. I wanted to get these things done before I did anything else today. Wanted to get my nails done. You knew that. Didn't happen. Why? Because I was at Ikea. Went to Ikea right after work, and it took me an hour to get to Ikea. No surprise there for me. But I only went because the items that I needed were in stock. Like over 20 of them were in stock. So that's not a wasted trip. Like you have 20 of them, right? All right, cool. Get there. I skip through the whole maze. Like I don't have to do the whole maze. So I enter and I go right downstairs to textiles. Like I know where I'm going. I don't need any help. No, I got this. Get down there and I look for the towels because if you didn't know, I'm filming the Silk Skirt video, which is going to be my linen closet. There is a certain color that I want in my linen closet and Ikea had it, past tense. Found out later that they no longer sell the turquoise, they sell a green blue or a blue green. I ended up picking up the washcloths and there were some girls there and I was letting them know that, hey, I'm wondering if these bath sheets, I don't get towels, I get sheets. Why? Because they're bigger and I like how they go around my whole body like twice. And yeah, they didn't have any more of those. So before I could ask the girls that were over there if they could look, they went away. So then I called Ikea because I need to know why they're not on the shelf and if you can bring me some. Somebody's coming to help you, ma'am. Okay, cool. Now let's keep count, okay? Let's take note of the time. I got on that back wall at 5:53. I remember because I checked online to see if the towels were in stock. 5:53. Then I called and I was on the phone for 13 minutes. So around 6:15 is when I started waiting the first time. Then at 6:30, I was on hold again because I called a second time after 10 minutes of no one showing up. Like it was only 4 customers coming through that area every so often. So I called again and the lady said she would stay on the phone with me until somebody comes. 6:32 is when Ashley comes by, and I don't know who Ashley is, but she works there. She's wearing yellow and she doesn't work in the area, but I just flagged the first person I saw. She called for a manager and some girl named Brianna. Thank you, Brianna and the manager, because they were the ones that actually went out on the dock. So they picked the towels up off of the dock for me, walked them over to me because I was still kind of walking around fake shopping because I'm my patience, okay? Brianna and the manager came by, assisted me the best way they knew how, and that is why I was at Ikea from 5:53 until 7:04. Didn't even go to any of the Targets yet. So then I go to Target closer to Ikea. If you don't know, our Ikea is in Midtown. There's a Target like right around the corner. Went to Target. They had 2 of the 4 things I needed. Got 2 of them, and then I went to the Target near me, and they had 2 of the smaller things I needed, but they were raggedy, so no, I don't want those. Come home, and I start putting the stuff away because I'm serious about getting these videos up in a timely fashion. Like, I'm so for real about it. And now I still need 15 more washcloths and 2 more towels and the 2 boxes that I need for the closet. Like, good night. Good morning. It is 7:20 on Saturday. I'm up pretty early simply because I would normally go to the gym at 8, but I'm not going to the gym closest to me. I'm going to the one in Midtown. But before we do that, I'm gonna head over to Target. Going to Target on the east side. You know, I only go to the east side about, I think it's 2 times a year. And then I'm going to LA Fitness in Midtown so that I can go back to Ikea, which is like a few streets over. So I can get home and film, edit, and post the video, and then I can maybe take 4 minutes to myself before I do other things around the house and all that. So let's get the day started, shall we? Got the boxes in less than 10 minutes. Had to go to guest services because the bigger box had a fingerprint smudge on it or something. Like, your dirty hands all over the light color box. Anyway, I got 10% off, and the manager or whoever else was there in guest services was like staring at me. What do you want? Is something on my face? Do you like my scarf? Do you want me to brush my hair? Because I won't. I don't know what it was, but I feel like there has to be a grace period. Like, you have to stop looking at some point. You know what I mean? Anyway, going to LA Fitness.
Damn, I just took off. 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 Damn, I just took off.
It is Sunday, a little after 11. I've been up since 7:30. Yeah. And I was doing the final edits to the linen closet video, which is now up, and I'm okay with it. I'm not like fully proud of it because my camera is still my camera. Like, I'm working with it until I upgrade. But the video is up. My linen closet is complete. I like the outcome. It's minimal and it's a small linen closet. Anyway, the video's up. Yesterday I did absolutely nothing. I was basically a waste of space. Today, I guess for the remainder of the day, I wanted to get my nails done because, you know, I've been talking about that for what, 3 days now. And not because I want to get them done, because I love my nails being done, but if I could go another week, I would. But I need to film that bullet journal video, and my nails being like this would look horrendous. So I might just get a fill and then get a new set after that. Good afternoon. I am finally out of my room for the day, for the past couple days. I'm going to go and see if I can salvage the day, so it's not a waste. Probably have had this sweater on maybe 3 times this week. Don't even care. It's mine. It smells great. Haven't done my hair in about 2 days. Again, not really caring. Just be glad I'm getting out, getting some sunlight, you know? All right, let's go. Lord be with me. I'm trying a new nail place and I just need to practice patience.